Aloha, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're whisking you away on a virtual journey to the stunning island of Kauai, Hawaii. But we're not just exploring any old accommodations, we're diving into the world of boutique hotels. So, buckle up and let's get started. Picture this. Waking up in a beachfront bungalow, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, the scent of the ocean filling the air. Or perhaps you're nestled in a jungle retreat, surrounded by the lush greenery of Kauai's wilderness. These are not just dreams, but realities when you choose to stay at a boutique hotel in Kauai. Boutique hotels are all about personalized service, unique design, and attention to detail. They offer an immersive experience that brings you closer to the island's natural beauty. Now, let's talk about the benefits of staying at a boutique hotel in Kauai. You get to experience personalized service and unique amenities that you won't find at larger chain hotels. The staff caters to your individual needs and preferences, making your stay more comfortable and enjoyable. Plus, these hotels often showcase local art, music, and cuisine, giving you a taste of the island's rich culture. And when it comes to accommodations, beachfront bungalows are a must-see. Imagine staying in a cozy bungalow with stunning ocean views and luxurious amenities. You have private balconies, fully equipped kitchens, and on-site beachfront amenities like a private beach, outdoor showers, and beach chairs and umbrellas. But if you're more of a jungle person, we've got you covered. The jungle retreats are nestled deep in the heart of the Kauai wilderness, providing a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. You can embark on jungle hikes, encounter wildlife, and enjoy the peaceful sounds of the jungle as you relax under the stars. And let's not forget about the food. Hawaiian cuisine is a blend of traditional and modern flavors, with fresh and locally sourced ingredients. You can savor dishes like Mahi-Mahi ceviche, coconut-crusted shrimp, and taro chips. And if you're a foodie, don't miss out on culinary tours and cooking classes offered by these boutique hotels. Finally, Kauai is home to a vibrant artisan community. You can find everything from handmade jewelry to pottery and wood carvings. So, why settle for a generic hotel stay when you can immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of Kauai at a boutique hotel? It's not just a vacation, it's an experience. And we promise, it's one you won't forget. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, aloha and happy travels!